welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Imagine the luxury and prestige of a Rolls-Royce, but on wheels, massive wheels with all the comfort of a five-star hotel. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, and trust me, this is not your average RV. Now Rolls-Royce is known for redefining what luxury means in the automotive world. But in 2026, they're stepping into the motorhome market in a way that only Rolls-Royce can. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a mansion on wheels. Every inch of this motorhome is designed with sophistication, innovation, and timeless elegance. Picture this: handcrafted wood trims, hand-stitched leather furniture, crystal lighting, fixtures and tech so advanced it almost feels invisible. But let's talk about what's under the hood. Because yes, this beast moves just as smoothly as it looks. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to be powered by a hybrid V12 engine, combining traditional performance with futuristic efficiency. It glides on the road thanks to its adaptive air suspension, making even the bumpiest terrain feel like a red carpet. Inside, you've got multiple living zones, a lounge that doubles as a cinema room, a full kitchen with smart appliances, a bathroom that feels like a private spa, and of course, a master bedroom with a view that rivals some of the world's top resorts. And everything, and I mean everything, is voice controlled or app connected. Want to dim the lights, start the fireplace, or adjust the climate in the bedroom? Just say the word . Now, I know what you're thinking, how much does this level of opulence cost? Well, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is rumored to start at a jaw-dropping $2.5 million. Yes, you heard that right. This puts it at the very top of the luxury RV world, and honestly, that's exactly where it belongs. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement, a rare combination of mobility, elegance, and ultimate comfort. Only a limited number of units will be produced, making this a truly exclusive vehicle. If you thought seeing a Rolls-Royce Phantom was rare, spotting one of these on the highway will be like seeing a spaceship. But for those lucky enough to get one, it's not just about traveling, it's about traveling in a way that most of us can only dream of. So what do you think? Would you take a road trip in this rolling palace? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more updates on luxury vehicles, futuristic tech, and all things extraordinary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.